Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what's happening in our course and a new feature I added. So I'm going to try to make things available even after the fact, but the reason why I'm trying to put due dates in is so that we can adhere to them and so that there's an extra feature called a calendar, so that when you click on the calendar, I'm about to show you that, you should just be able to click to the assignment and understand what's due that day. So for next week, what will be due is we will have the flight from conversation, the summary, and I made that due date at 5 o'clock p.m. So that should give you plenty of time to get that done. And you're going to submit as you always do. And then in this outline, remember you are going to go here, sign up for a conference time. Sign up for a conference time. And then that day, so Tuesday, you will have already needed to sign up, right? So sign up today. And then you'll come to this right here at your specific conference time. It's not a class time, it's a time where I get to talk to you about your individual outline and your paper, okay? So then on next Thursday, you have a rough draft, okay? So you're gonna submit your rough draft and I will provide a student sample as well. And then you're going to do something called peer editing. Many of you posted your threads of your own paper, and that's great. But I want you to create a new thread. Please don't put reply, because then we have, I have to navigate 100 replies. Create a new thread, but then you can reply to someone else's paper, okay? Reply to one that doesn't have any other replies. And I've gone through this process, but you'll be completing the peer review. So you'll read the student's paper. And this is Thursday, and it's due Thursday by 5 o'clock p.m. So please note that for Tuesday's work, you're working Thursday through the weekend. And for Thursday's work, you're working Tuesday until Thursday, okay? So you'll read someone's paper that they've submitted. You will fill in this information according to their paper. You'll save it, and then you will resubmit in your reply. You'll attach a file just like you would an email, okay? So that's important. This last time I gave you all points for just doing the first part, but I really want you to do the second part as well. It's going to be out of 24 points. A new feature that I've added is the course calendar. And that's why I had to put due dates, okay? So that you could see, hey, on Tuesday, these are the things that are due, and it takes you right to the assignment, okay? Please don't rely on this per se, but this will give you a good indication of where you need to be and what you need to be completed. And I've given you until 5 p.m. to get that done, okay? So hopefully that will help. If you have any questions, I would love to hear them, or suggestions that would make this easier for you. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can contact me via phone or email, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.